Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Makeup Gems for Less. So you guys are going to follow me along to TJ Maxx or Marshall's. I did a video prior to this that's pretty similar to this video, so I'm going to continue doing these type of episodes because I really enjoy doing it for you guys and it's fun. So don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you guys can get notified when I upload more videos and you guys don't miss any of my videos. So with that being said, let's go on to the first store that we're going to be going to, which is TJ Maxx, and see what we can find. So here we are at Marshall's. On this side they have some beauty blenders. Looks like a couple ones from Real Techniques. That one I already have, the diamond one, and here are some other ones. And this one's pretty interesting. It comes with a brush and it's only $4.99. That's a good deal if you're trying to start off with a beauty blender and see the difference between. These other ones are eyelash extensions, and I am in the hunt to find the Lilly lashes. These are from Salon Perfect. These are not the ones that I usually use. I usually use the ones that are 614 eyelashes. On this section, it looks like there is this Makeup Forever Artistic Palette, which is $14.99. And it comes with really nice eyeshadows. It has a blue eyeshadow and a purple, gray, and brown. And they're really nice. I don't know if I'm going to actually buy it. This one's actually from Makeup Revolution. It's Strip and Bare. This one's actually pretty nice as well. And these are a couple more palettes from here. I'm not really interested in those. And oh my god, these are the Aurora Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which is a highlight, and it's so nice. I will show you guys later on in the video how the palette looks like inside. I might actually even include it in a giveaway. But so let's just keep on going and see what else we can find. Here is the Makeup Revolution contour and highlight palette. It's conceal and contour kit, I mean. And so this is a cargo eyeliner pencils, I believe, and it looks like it comes with gold, blue, and brown eyeliners. Pretty similar to the one I have. It's $3.99. I have one from Lorac, which is a really good one, and this is a mascara from Beauty Beats. I haven't tried mascara from Marshall's, so I'm not sure about that. And let's see, this one's some Anastasia Beverly Hills single eyeshadows. I am not interested in those. Let's just keep going and see what else. Everything in the store is pretty disorganized, so I apologize for that. These are the Spock prescriptions. I believe these are scrubs that you can use for your face. And this one is a charcoal mask, which I have not used. This one is from Global Beauty. And what is the price? It is $4.99, which is pretty good. And this is a pore defining gel mask. And let's see, on this side it's a Smashbox Spotlight palette. Wow. And a Marc Jacobs foundation for $14.99. This is the one that I'm interested in actually getting, and I've been looking for this for quite a while. This one's from Clinique, and it comes with a moisturizer for your under eye and even for your face, and a lippy. So that is a pretty good find. And down there are some Eco Tools brushes. But this one is from Bare Minerals. This one is I believe a complexion kit. Comes with a brush, which is a good deal. It comes with some powder foundation, and also I believe it's only $24.99 in a store. Oh my god, look, this is the NYX Beauty. I think it's called Dropout or Extra Credit. Yeah, this is the one that I've been looking for a while as well, and I'm glad I found it. I love the eyeshadows. It looks so pretty. There's some blue, some orange, and it's $19.99, which is a really good deal. I think on the website it runs for $42. Comes with also a brush kit and eyeliner and a liquid eyeliner. Let's see what we have on this section. So this one seems to be the section that's for lippies. This one's a NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick, and it's $4.99. And this one is the Anastasia Lip Palette. I have not tried this, but it's $24.99, which is not a bad deal. Comes with different colors. And there are more lippies over here. Some Marc Jacobs, looks like more NYX, and looks like Too Faced melted lipsticks. And this one is a little kit from NYX. It comes with a matte liquid lipstick, a lip liner, which is $4.99, which is not a bad deal at all. And on this side, ooh, I found some cargo, oh not cargo, Lorac eyeliners, which is $9.99, and it comes with a blue, a gold, and I believe these are the ones I have bought before, so I'm not sure if I'm going to take it. And these are more eyeliner pencils. This one's a palette from MAC Studio. And let's see, this is the side where they have products where they're going to put on the shelf. So sometimes you can find certain products on this one that are not on the shelf yet. And looks like they even have like polishes and sunglasses. So in this section, there's a couple brushes that you can use for your face. This one's a NYX In Your Element Water brushes. I think I only have one of them that I love. And the NYX brushes are not bad at all. These are other brushes from Creme. I don't know, I have not tried those. This is the Paris Hilton eye brushes. I've never tried those either. And let's just see what else we can find. Here are some skincare products. I don't really buy a lot of skincare products from Marshalls, but let's just see if we can find something that I use. Looks like there's Neutrogena there. Let's see. Ooh, I think I found this one from Clinique. This one is a scrub moisturizer. I have this actually, and I use this almost every day to clean my face, and it actually clears up your pores and all the impurities that you have. So I would definitely try that out if I find it. So let's do a recap of what we found. This one is the Anastasia Aurora palette. This is what I'm going to buy. Then I also am going to buy the Marc Jacobs. Oh my god, and I forgot to tell you guys, I found these Lilly lashes from the Sephora collection. And I'm so excited to actually have found this. And these are $9.99. It comes with the Miami and the actually Luxe eyelashes. And I'm also going to take this Marc Jacobs, which is $14.99. And this one, I'm still debating whether I'm going to take, but I might not. I'm not sure yet. And yeah, that is pretty much everything what I got.
Okay guys, so I didn't go to TJ Maxx. I decided to go to Marshalls instead. So for Marshalls, I got a couple of items. The first item that I want to show you guys that I actually got, and I'm so happy that I actually was able to find this. And I've been seeing a lot of people looking for this, and it's called the Lilly Lashes, the Sephora collection by Lilly Lashes, and this one comes in Miami and also the style Luxe, which is, I think each of these cost about $30 individually from the website, but actually they come in a box like this. You get 2 sets of eyelashes for $9.99. Original price says $19.99, so that's a pretty good deal. That's like $10 off. I'm so excited to try these eyelashes. I haven't actually tried her eyelashes, so this will be my first time trying it out. So I will be doing a tutorial with this eyelash. And yeah, so I am so excited that I actually found this, you guys, and I hope you guys find it for yourself too. And I actually called a Marshalls nearby. I called maybe like 3 of them, and I asked them if they have the Lilly Lashes, and the one that carried it, they said they only have 1 left. So I told the associate to actually hold it for me, so she was nice enough to do that. So I was able to get the Lilly Lashes from there. I only drove maybe like half an hour to that place, so I was very fortunate and very lucky to get it. But yeah, I will be looking for more of these. Maybe I will be putting it in a giveaway if I do actually end up finding another one. The other item that I got from Marshalls was this one from NYX This one is the Ultimate Lip Kit in Mauve, and this is how it looks like. It comes with a beige, lip liner, a lipstick, and a whipped lip and cheek souffle. It also comes with a lip pencil. So it seems to be a pretty nice kit. It's originally $14.99 and they were selling it at Marshall's for $4.99, which is a pretty good price. I would open it for you guys, but I am thinking about maybe putting this on a giveaway. So the other product is the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Show you guys really quickly how it looks like, but that is how it looks like. Comes with the blue, a couple purple, and this one is kind of like a beigey yellow kind of tone. So the only thing about Marshalls is that a lot of the times these products that they sell, it's like all over the place, so you kind of have to dig in and you kind of have to keep looking. So when I did find this one, it was actually in a place where there were a couple other ones that were not destroyed. So I think this is originally $42 and I got it for $24.99, so that is a good deal. Do you guys believe that even Marshall sells Marc Jacobs and they even sell foundations? I've seen that at other beauty finds or makeup deals for less. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the recent Marc Jacobs that came out. I don't know the name, but there was a foundation that's recently came out. But I found this one at Marshall's. This was for $14.99. I actually got very lucky to find this foundation, especially in my shade, because there's usually mostly like lighter shades at the store. So I got this in golden medium, which is number 44, and I really do like it and it matches me pretty good. This one, it looks like this, and it's more of a glass feel, and it has a top, has a pump as well. So if you're looking for an inexpensive foundation, a branded foundation that's inexpensive, definitely try this. So another item that I actually got from Marshall's is this NYX kit. It's called the Beauty School Dropout Extra Credit by NYX. It comes with a palette, a bunch of eyeshadows, also comes with brow powders. It comes with all these brushes here, and it even comes with an eyeliner and also a brow pencil. So I mean, that is a pretty good deal, and it's $20. Originally I think is priced at $30, so you save about $10, which is not bad. I think on the website they actually sell it for $42. So I have not tried it, but I fell in love with these colors, you guys. It's like greenish blue, brown. I mean, like all these colors you can definitely use to create nice looks. And I know NYX, the eyeshadows are not bad, they're pretty good. So I bought it and I will show you guys inside how it looks like. I am not gonna put my fingers on it because I'm debating whether I should keep it or give it away. This is how it looks like, you guys. You guys see, like, the brushes is so pretty, and the eyeshadows, it's so nice, and even comes with a mirror, which is nice and handy when you're trying to do your makeup, you know. And yeah, it's like an eyeshadow. I kind of want to keep it, you guys, but I think I'm gonna give it away because I have so many eyeshadows, and I don't know, I just don't need so many eyeshadows. So I love these colors. These colors are gorgeous. Oh my god, it even has that blue color over here, which you can use for your whole eyelid. And it even comes with a nice green color. OMG, these are pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the Marshall shopping that I did, and I will be doing more of these videos along the way, maybe once a week. I won't give it a time frame because I don't want to disappoint you guys. I just actually filmed a tutorial on this look, so it looks pretty good. I really do like it. So if you guys are interested, I will link the one that I will be posting before this video goes up. Has a little pop of yellow in the inner corners and a little smoky on the outside. Some glitter, of course, because I love glitter. So I hope you guys get all these makeup and you guys are able to find it. tag me on my Instagram account any makeup that you guys find at TJ Maxx or Marshalls at Beauty by Jetta, which is my Instagram account, or you can hashtag makeup gems for less, which I will be looking at what kind of makeup you guys actually found for yourself. So anyways, hope you love this video, and if you are not part of my channel, make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment, and also hit the notification bell again, so that way you can be notified when I upload videos, because sometimes YouTube does not notify you if you are just subscribed to my channel. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.